Hello traders, hope you guys are doing well. So first of all, fixed warning, do not invest the money which you cannot afford to lose. So I have just recorded my trades just few minutes ago. So I have I have done I think 3-4 trades. Frequently I have done continuously 3-4 trades. So I also I will provide the reason behind my every trade. So you guys, I hope you guys will watch it till end. So yeah, without any delay, let's get into the video. Okay, so yeah, you can share. Okay, yeah, you can see here. It's I have I'm doing this recording on 1:37 p.m. and last I have done trade is 1:24 p.m. Yeah, just a few minutes ago I have done this trades. So let's see this. In past I have just explaining and I'm just talking about other things. So no need to see all these things. So I'm going to play this video. Okay, I'm also going to tell you about the reason behind my every trade. So yeah, okay, let's do this. Okay, yeah. So you can see here. Okay, yeah. So you have to be always in patience. Always you have to always keep your mind calm. You have to stay focused while trading. Otherwise you will lose your money. Kind of it's a trading is a business. So you guys have to be stay calm. You have to because you are going to risk your money, hard earned money. So you guys have to always stay calm. So I have first right now here. So I was planning to do call option here. My already mouse is already in higher button. So why I'm planning to do this higher option, because it's a sure shot pattern. I have already explained you about the sure shot pattern about through EMAs. So in I think in last previous videos or for last videos, I don't know. So yeah, it's a sure shot candle, because 20 EMA hasn't got rejected in last 7-10 candles. It's rejected in previous about 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 in 12 candles. 20 EMA got rejected, but after this candle, this 20 EMA has not got any rejection. So it's a sure shot pattern. So yeah, it's a 20 EMA is a steep uptrend, steep up. So it's act as support level. That's why I'm planning to do a higher option. Also here is not any kind of price actions on the left. Here is price actions on the left, but it's many candles before. So yeah, let's play it. So I was confirming the trade. I was waiting for rejections. So, but still I can also do a trade without any rejections. So yeah, I have done a call trade. Yeah, let's see it. Yeah, I was explaining here. Yeah. Yeah, I was explaining EMAs. Yeah, Steve EMAs right there. I was already recorded before, but my mic hasn't recorded my sound, so that's why I'm recording it again. So yeah. Okay, I have opened new pair. Okay, GBP USD. But my favorite one is Euro USD, always Euro USD, and sometimes I trade on, on commodities, also on gold. So that's my favorite. Here the price. Wait, I'm gonna pause it. So you're also making a short pattern. I think you can understand it. Many candles before, here is a rejection. So many candles before. So you can also trade here. You can, you have to enter immediately. You have to, it's a highest probability trading setup, so you have to enter in this trade immediately, so you can get a better, you can get a better entry point. If you wait for a rejection, then you will enter here. Then if price rejects, if price got retracement to here, then you will lose your money. It's like a throwing money from the window. So I missed it. Yeah, yeah, I was explaining here. See, I was explaining. I was also, yeah, I was explaining that it's a higher trade. Yeah, I was explaining. You can see it. I was explaining here. Yeah, Euro JPY. Yeah. So in this market, the price is in consolidation area. Price is in ranging market. So it's better to avoid this kind of market. Yeah, I was explaining here. It's a ranging market kind of stops like there. So yeah, it's better to avoid ranging market. It's consolidation area. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So let's see where I have. Okay, I was planning to do a call trade there. Okay, okay. I have forgotten I have done it or not. Let's see it. Let's see it. What I was doing at that time. Okay, okay, yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I was explaining the one deviation upper Bollinger Band. If price comes there, then I was going to do a call trade. Yeah, that's yeah. Yeah, GBP USD. I came back to the GBP USD. Let's see, I have done trade or not there. Okay, okay. 33, 34. Ah, yeah. Okay, I think I have done this trade. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I have to call. I have to call here. Why I'm not going to call? Why I'm? Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay. Did I? Yeah, I have placed their call option. Yeah, I have to place call trade immediately when this previous candle closed. I shouldn't have to wait for rejections. Yeah, but I was also explaining the things, explaining the concept. So I think it takes my focus to the, to speaking, to providing knowledge to you guys. So I think that's why I have taken so long to place a trade. So yeah, why I have done this trade. So in this case, yeah, in this case, you can, yeah, here is, you can see this is not, this is price is also already in there is price action on the left. It's a ranging market. It's not about the concept, it's about the context, right? The context. So this is a different context that I have explained before. The previous explained concept are different, and this is a different concept with different context. So it's a different context. So yeah, first of all, market has pulled back from 150 EMA. First of all, so it's a ranging market. In ranging market, we have to follow the minor trend. Okay, so we have to follow the minor trend. And what this candle has done before, so this candle has broken many key levels, like this key level, this reverse key level, this 50 EMA key level, this 20 EMA key level. It has broken many key levels. So already it has broken many key level. Then why I'm going to do a reverse trend? I have to go with the trend and confluence with it has broken many key levels. So that's why I'm doing a call trade, continuation trade. Okay, so and you can see it's a engulfing pattern. For in for last candle we have it's pullback from 150 EMA in confluence with engulfing pattern converted like what it should converted into. It's a big candle. That's why I am following the minor trend. Okay, you have to be quick. Okay, yeah. So although market is panicking so badly, but I think it should win. It should go in upward direction. Okay, market is panicking so badly. Okay, you can see it here. Market is panicking so badly. Although it should follow the formulas, also it has to follow the universe, man, the universe, trading universe, because a trading price action rule said us that it has to be a green candle. So it is converting into green candle. Let's wait till it ends. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, it ends into green at the end. So okay, yeah, you can also. So okay, so next where I have done the trade. Okay, I'm planning to do put option. Yeah. I should yeah, I should do put. Yeah, I have I did it. So why I have done put options? Okay, so why I have done put options? It has broken many key levels. So let me repeat it again. So market has pulled back from 150 EMA. It's a ranging market. Price comes from upward direction. It's ranging now. It's market is planning to go in downward direction because market has its own cycle. Market, I have already told you that market run in a cycle: upward, ranging, downtrend, ranging, upward, ranging, downtrend, ranging, upward, like this. So yeah, market is trying to do market is trying to make a movement in a up downward direction, because it's already, if you put trend line, if you put a lines according to this level, this high, then this high, then this high, then yeah, the trend line will reach here. So what happened is this level is in this case. So yeah, this white line is a weakest, weakest deviation Bollinger Band. It's a weakest among all the EMAs, among all the Bollinger Bands, among all the deviations. So yeah, market has pulled back from 150 EMA. Also, it's an engulfing pattern. Also, engulfing pattern turns into converted into a huge candle. What it should be. Also, it has done the done corrects, but after breaking many key levels, why market couldn't even break the weakest EMA? You have to think like that. Okay, so yeah, it's a weak EMA. Market cannot even break, cannot even close above this level. That's why I'm going to do a put trade. Why? Because also this 20 EMA can be a fake breakout. I anticipate like that. Okay, I anticipated like it can be a fake breakout. It can be a fake breakout. Why? Because the price has not even broke the weakest EMA, the weakest Bollinger Band, the weakest deviation. That's why it can be a fake breakout. I anticipated like that, and I enter immediately into a trade. Though I have waited few seconds, because I was explaining the things, the concept to you. That's why I was waiting. I was taking so long, but it doesn't even matter. I'm trying to give a concept to you. Just focus on the concept. Okay, so yeah, market is panicking. Yeah, market is panicking. See, you can see their market is panicking so badly, but according to the price actions, it should go down even in the last moment, in the last second. Let's wait. Let's wait till this candle closes. Okay, yeah, it's panicking so badly. Yeah, you can see it, you can see it, guys, you can see it. Okay, I think I have not done other trades. Okay, what this? Okay, that was a previous one. Okay, yeah, yeah, that it is. So yeah, because it's already, I think, 14-15 minutes. That's why, I don't want to make video longer. That's why I have done few trades only. I will further explain other concept in other videos. So till then, bye bye. Have a great day. Have a great trading. Thank you. Bye bye.